are in control of the choices that we make and the opportunities that we take advantage of. And study abroad, I think, was the best opportunity that kind of came into my life.
So Singapore was the only country offered in Asia, so I chose that to explore my heritage as like a place where I can go visit home, but also learn more about other Asian cultures in that environment, especially because Singapore is really diverse. So it was both heritage speaking, but also exploring who I am abroad and what it means to be, I guess, Asian, but also Asian American.
I think that there can be a lot of rewarding experiences when you are in an entirely new area with people who do not know you and your previous identities, and you're able to unshackle yourself from that.
Being first gen made me feel like it was almost impossible to like study abroad, but I used that to kind of push me to work harder and take the time to make a change in my life.
One piece of advice I would have for heritage students getting ready to study abroad, for sure, is the language element, right? For sure is like just soaking up as much of the culture as possible before getting there. Take some time to enjoy time with family and friends and places before you leave, right? Because like you're gonna be gone for a while. So it's kind of nice to like really soak that up and kind of take that friend and familial support with you as you go abroad.